During the course of installation, we happened to find a location that had bathroom vents coming up through and ending inside the roof cavity. After further investigation, these vents are active. They come up from the floors below for bathroom vents. They were ending inside the roof framing. What we've done here is we've built a curb that's going to allow us to pipe these completely out of the building. Originally, we found these pipes, metal pipes, that stopped right here. We're adding this flex tube. It's going to go up to a hood and come out like this, and the hood's going to be covered. This will have roofing over the top of it, and it will exhaust everything out to the outside. We've already had people say that their bathroom vent is working 10 times better than it has been, just because we've exposed it and now it can freely flow. This is part of what happens when you hire a reputable building consultant and contractor to do your work. They'll find these problems, they identify them, and then they move forward and remediate them in a correct fashion. So in a previous video, we had a venting issue up here where a lot of vents weren't connected up, and we've got all that taken care of. This is what the final product looks like. All the vents come up into this hood, then this hood protects everything from rain, and everything comes out the bottom here. So we have it facing opposite of the way the weather would come in on this building to make sure we don't get any wind-driven rain in here. And it's a nice finished product for something that was a construction defect from long ago.